Good morning, guys. And today I have uh, excited because I am excited and I have taken my autobiography. I'm talking about autobiography. So as you know that there are so many persons had written their own story, and I have also started, as you have I have already shared that I have started my story. It's called autobiography, and it is good thing that I have done my one incident of childhood incident, we can say. And second thing, today I woke up for half past 4 o'clock, and I made content of writing that which types of content, types of content we should take. So I have taken, and it's a really humble to request God that God please support me, because I don't know, right now I'm not perfect. It's a reality, but every days count. So that's why I'm also thinking my mind that every my day will count by the God, and definitely I can achieve in my life. One day I will get succeed in my life, it is true. And so today I have made content, and today or tomorrow it might, I think I will start on today, because you know because I have been not making my story, reading, writing my story such a long time. And one day and 2 days I wrote, but if I think my mind that if I talk about consistency, so I never completed my consistency task uh, for writing. But I have realized, if I don't do my any kind of work which I have taken, like like practicing motivational speakers practice, and making a videos practice, and writing task. But I know, after using rest, taking rest, I will my energy level has increased, and now I'm excited a lot for writing, and definitely I can do it. So that's why, if I don't make my videos, if I don't study anything else, so I don't feel angriness, and worried that, oh my God, I haven't read right anything else, because I believe myself, it is my positive mindset that when I will wake up after using rest, so definitely my energy level has increased, and I will do my work in a good manner and sharpening manner. So it is my strong possibility, and I have attitude, we can say. So yeah, really it is not it's called attitude, not attitude. I have kept this thing. So हमने अपने जीवन में ये रियलाइज़ किया है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, हमें प्रयास करने से नहीं रुकना चाहिए। यदि जीवन में हम प्रयास करते हैं तो सफलता हमें अवश्य मिलेगी। ये थोड़ा टाइम ज़रूर लगेगा कि हमने अपने लाइफ में कितने स्ट्रगल किए हैं, इसी को तो हमें अपने लाइफ में मेंशन करना है। हम अपनी लाइफ में यही सब तो लिख रहे हैं कि जीवन में कितने भी पड़ाव अच्छे आते हैं, बुरे आते हैं, ये सब हमें गिराते नहीं हैं, ये सब हमें ऊपर उठाते हैं। यदि आप इसे पॉजिटिव वे में लीजिए, यदि एनी टाइप्स ऑफ सेटबैक्स कम्स इन आवर लाइफ, वी शुड फॉलो पॉजिटिव mindset. You should have positive mindset. After that you can and go anywhere So if because I feel that why God sent bad persons in your life, because at least you learn from his mistake, their mistake, as well as your mistake. सो इट इज़ अ लाइफ, एंड आप यदि ये सोचते हैं कि लाइफ आपके अकॉर्डिंग चलेगी तो इट्स योर इट इज़ योर मिस्टेक। लाइफ गॉड के अकॉर्डिंग चलेगी, सब कुछ सेट है, बट आपको अपने लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करना है, ये हमें प्रयास करते रहना चाहिए। सो प्लीज़ गाइज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल।